Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 30 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's begin with making sure that we've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, but to be honest, I prefer and I highly recommend to use Wi-Fi. Then we can enter the Play Store and basically you will be able to follow all of my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. If not, you can do it either right after entering the Play Store, you can do it on your own, or if you need help, you can try to check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device. Alright, so after that we can enter the Play Store and tap on the circle in the right upper corner, which is basically your account. Then let's tap on Manage Apps and Device and tap on Manage. Here we have to tap on Updates Available, and as you can see, this is the list of apps which can be updated. So all you have to do is to mark those which you'd like to update. You can choose only one, two, or all of them. It's totally up to you. And then after marking, tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And now your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.